Hey, what's up guys, it's Upload here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tech tutorial video, I'm going to teach you guys how to get this beautiful 4K live wallpaper from TikTok to your smartphone. And yeah, this tutorial is going to be pretty much straightforward and I'm not going to waste any much of your time at all. But before we head over to this tutorial, I just want to make this clear. Whenever I talk about this 4K live wallpaper of a thing, people do ask me if it consumes battery. So the thing is that it doesn't consume battery that much, but what you need to know is that whenever you turn on your mobile phone, the 4K live wallpaper will play just like a video playing on the background of your mobile phone, right? But there's a feature on the app that can actually make the 4K live wallpaper static, just like a regular wallpaper. So apart from that, it is a pretty cool thing you can actually try on your mobile phone and you can actually flex with it where you're like walking around or stuff like that. So yeah, let's head over to this tutorial real quick and without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on.
Alright, so first of all, you have to do is to open your TikTok application. So as you can see, we already have the 4K live wallpaper playing on our screen right here, but we just have to like search it on the search bar to make the tutorial more straightforward, right? Now you can type 4K wallpaper. So there are tons of really 4K live wallpaper on TikTok. As you can see right now, there are pretty much many of them you can select from. So all you have to do is to go to the one you like the most and click on it. Next, you have to click on this share button right here. After that, you can actually see that we have different options and we have the set as wallpaper option right here. So what you have to do is to click on it. Now TikTok will actually ask you to download or install a wallpaper plugin. So just click on install. Automatically you get it directed to Play Store where you can install the application. As you can see right here, we have the TikTok live wallpaper. So just click on install. This is just like 208 KB, not plenty at all. So yeah, pretty much nice. So now the app has finished installed. What we will have to do is to click on this open here and click on open TikTok to set live wallpaper, right? So we also have the sound here. You can actually increase the sound or reduce the sound. That is like after setting the live wallpaper, you just want the sound to be playing alongside the wallpaper or you don't want any sound at all. So right here you can control that, right? So I'm going to leave that at 0 and click on open TikTok to set wallpaper, right? Now what we have to do is to click on this and let's set it. But we are going to wait for this to download. Now as you can see, the live wallpaper is now downloaded on our device. So what we will have to do is to click on set as wallpaper, right, to set the wallpaper on our phone screen. So at the right top you can see set wallpaper. Click on it and click on home screen, and voila, we are done. So yeah, this is how it's going to look like on your phone screen, and to be honest, this is pretty cool. Wow, I like this wallpaper. To be honest, I like this live wallpaper and I can pretty much download more on TikTok. Yeah,
So guys, that is on how to get 4K live wallpaper from TikTok to your smartphone. And I hope you find this video or this tech tutorial video pretty useful, right? Don't lie, you find it useful. So yeah, leave a comment in the comment section what you think about this video, if you find it useful at all. And if you have any question related to this video, let me know in the comment section. Like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and also turn your notification bell to always get notified whenever we drop a new video on the channel. My name is Lord, I talk about tech. Do not forget to check out the channel for more videos and also more videos to come. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Peace.